Tired of cheap replacement key fobs that fail after just a few weeks? This high-quality electronic Dodge keyless entry remote fob offers a reliable solution designed to last. It comes with 2 remotes and a handy paracord bottle opener, making it a practical upgrade for your vehicle's security and convenience. This 4-button remote includes lock, unlock, remote start, and panic functions, everything you need to control your Dodge with ease. Unlike discount knockoffs, this fob features premium electronics housed in a durable new case. It's tested and guaranteed to work 100% with your vehicle or you get your money back. Programming is straightforward. You can self-program the remote using 2 existing programmed remotes, or take it to a local automotive locksmith for professional programming and key cutting. The battery comes pre-installed, so it's ready to pair with your vehicle right out of the box. Make sure to match the FCC ID IYZ-C01C and part numbers to your current remote or check compatibility with your Dodge model. This key fob fits a range of vehicles, including the 2011-2012 Dodge Durango, 2008-2012 Dodge Journey, 2009-2010 Dodge Charger, and 2009-2012 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 trucks. One satisfied customer shared that after buying this remote for a 4th-generation Dodge Ram 1500 with a damaged key, the local dealer charged $75 to program it. Months later, the remote still works perfectly, proving its durability and value. If you're looking for a dependable replacement remote that won't leave you stranded, this electronic Dodge keyless entry remote fob is worth a look. It delivers what you need: quality, compatibility, and ease of use, without the frustration of cheap alternatives. Ready to upgrade your Dodge's keyless entry system? This remote fob offers peace of mind and convenience with every press. Try it when you're ready and enjoy seamless control over your vehicle's locks, remote start, and alarm system. Don't settle for less. Choose a remote fob that's built to last and guaranteed to work with your Dodge. It's a smart investment that keeps your vehicle secure and your daily routine hassle-free.